In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the permission you've given in PayPal. Managing the permissions you've granted to third-party apps and services is a crucial aspect of maintaining your online security and privacy, especially with a financial platform like PayPal. Over time, you might connect your PayPal account to various online stores, subscription services, or applications for convenience. However, it's wise to periodically review these connections to ensure you only have active permissions for services you still use and trust. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your account details and financial information. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll first need to log into your PayPal account on a desktop or laptop computer, as some of these privacy settings are more easily accessible through the web interface rather than the mobile app. Once you're logged in, locate the Settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear or cogwheel icon, usually found in the top right corner of your PayPal dashboard. Clicking on this icon will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your profile, payments, and security. From your settings page, your next step is to navigate to the Data and Privacy section. This section is specifically designed to give you control over how your personal data is used and shared within the PayPal ecosystem. It's where you can adjust preferences related to tracking, notifications, and, most importantly for today's topic, the external applications that have access to your account. Look for Data and Privacy in the menu on the left-hand side or within the main content area of the settings page, and click on it. Now that you're in the Data and Privacy section, you'll see several options related to your personal information. To manage the connections you've established, you'll need to click on the option labeled Permissions You've Given. This link will open a page displaying a comprehensive list of all third-party applications, websites, and services that you have previously authorized to access your PayPal account. Here, you might see entries for online marketplaces, subscription services, or even certain financial management tools. Each entry typically shows the name of the service and the type of permission it has been granted, such as the ability to make recurring payments or view transaction history. It's important to carefully review this list. For any service you no longer use, don't recognize, or no longer wish to have access to your PayPal account, you'll usually find an option next to it to remove or revoke permission. Simply click on this option to disconnect that service. You might be asked to confirm your decision, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. Regularly checking and cleaning up these permissions is an excellent habit for digital hygiene. It ensures that only trusted and currently used services maintain a connection to your PayPal account, significantly reducing your risk and enhancing your overall financial security.